Danish company BM Autoteknik has manufactured and supplied vehicle test equipment since 1977. Brake testers are their core product, but their range of equipment includes suspension, speedometer, headlamp and emission testers. Road safety and environment is their business. BM Autoteknik, the safe choice. This family-owned company manufactures vehicle test equipment, supplied and serviced via distributors for customers all over the world. For example, vehicle inspection companies in Great Britain, Scandinavia, and Switzerland. For the US and UK armies in Afghanistan, and vehicle inspection companies in New Zealand. All services of BM Autoteknik are in-sourced at the factory in Muldrup, Denmark, including key functions such as manufacturing, development, and customer support. This ensures 100% control of quality and fast response to specific customer requests, making BM Autoteknik highly competitive. Co-owners and founders Ben Olarsson and Måns Norlum have never been followers, walking in others' footsteps. Unique and innovative design has kept BM at the forefront of technological advances, blazing a trail in vehicle testing procedures, revolutionizing the industry. And it all started in 1977 in this tiny workshop. Shortly after, the pioneering BM roller brake tester with electronic measurement was unveiled. Most roller brake testers are expected to have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years, but here is one of the company's first units installed in 1977 and still used on a daily basis. Following a truck one day inspired an idea for a new way to test heavy vehicles. The problem with truck roller brake testing was that they were tested without load. That made the test inaccurate as the brakes were under a completely different load condition than when driving on the roads, where the truck might carry over 30 tons. Therefore, BM Autoteknik developed a unique solution in 1980, where the axle of the truck was strapped down and the roller bed lifted to simulate load on the truck. Despite resistance in the industry, BM achieved success with the product. However, it took more than 20 years before other companies followed BM and offered similar solutions. Other news that resonated in the industry was a mobile truck roller brake tester with a drive-over height of only 16 centimeters. Another innovative system, where the load is added to the chassis on the truck instead of the axle, once again propelled BM ahead of its rivals. BM Autoteknik's new and better solutions have played an important role in advancing industry standards for more than 3 decades. It is BM's own engineers that develop the new products and customized solutions. This adds quality, and all BM products are thoroughly tested before they leave the factory. Over the last decade, BM has developed one of the most advanced IT systems on the market for automatic gathering and evaluation of test data for the vehicle inspection industry. The IT system enhances the quality assurance of the vehicle inspection procedures by its in-depth integration with the test equipment, providing the customers with very unique advantages. This is one of the reasons that BM Autoteknik is often chosen as the preferred supplier. Today, there are more than 50 employees in the company. Several of them have been there for over 15 years. This long-term experience and depth of knowledge ensures that customers' requests are met quickly and efficiently. BM Autoteknik has built up an international network of distributors whose service organizations are trained and supported by BM experts in Denmark. The technical and commercial training takes place in BM's own facilities. Previously, the government testing authority, VOSA, in Great Britain, used a 5-ton manual simulator to add load while testing brakes on heavy vehicles. With this new computerized BM load simulator, the brake tests are now conducted twice as fast, and they can test with up to 10 tons of load. Previously, vehicle inspection in Lithuania was done with pen and paper. Now, BAM FlexCheck ensures electronic exchange of all data from the government vehicle database, as well as collecting data from test equipment manufactured by various companies. It took 2 years for BAM to customize the software to local conditions and routines. And today, the vehicle inspection stations in Lithuania can test far more vehicles with much better test quality. The Tuvlita test station in Vilnius uses BAM FlexCheck to enable 50 operators to test between 1,500 and 2,000 vehicles per day in a vehicle inspection station with only 7 lanes. The authorities in New Zealand implemented very tough regulations for brake testing heavy vehicles in laden condition, and this led to the development of a unique chassis loading system, where load is hydraulically added to the chassis of the vehicle. The vehicle inspection companies required a system that could be installed in the existing inspection pits on the same rails as are used for pit jacks. For reasons of efficiency, the customers also requested that it should only be necessary for the system to be attached to the vehicle once during the brake test. This was quite a challenge for the BAM engineers to overcome, but all the requests were met by the BAM chassis load simulation system. Today, the vehicle inspectors can test trucks in fully laden condition with minimal effort. BAM Autoteknik delivers products and services globally on 5 continents. Their customers include government authorities, vehicle inspection companies, repair workshops, and technical schools in more than 25 countries. Specialized mobile products from BAM support customers such as the Army and Road Police. BAM Autoteknik AS, the safe choice. But what about the future? The change in generation is secured with Michael Larsen joining the family business as co-owner. And you can certainly count on BAM to plant new footsteps as they continue to push the boundaries of vehicle testing forwards. BAM has already developed the next generation of innovative new products, which again will set the standards for the industry.